Hi guys, let me show off this 59-inch fluted desk that fits perfectly in our office. The file and drawer cabinets are reversible. You can have it on the left side or on the right side. The drawer is 5.9 inches deep. Cabinet has enough space to store your books and any other details that you might need for your office. This can also be a great fit for the bedroom. It has a beautiful design with curved edges, and the fluted panels give it that aesthetic look. The top of the desk is very spacious. It's 59.8 by 22 inches. It also includes 2 AC outlets, 1 Type-C, and 1 USB port. I think this desk is modern and it is a perfect fit for any home. I think it's a definite must-have. Everything came perfectly boxed, had easy to follow instructions. Enjoy the rest of the video, and at the end is a quick installation process.